Good morning, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, and welcome to this morning yoga for men. Why do men need to do yoga? Here's a few reasons right here. Big, powerful reasons. Invite other guys to join you. We're going to work the full body and hit those problem areas of your hips, your hamstrings, and your shoulders. Modify as needed. Always use control. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Little breeze today. It's the perfect spot to do some yoga. Let's start in child's pose. Take the knees wide, hands forward, press it back. We'll do some dynamic movement, get you all fixed up in a short amount of time. Sway side to side, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Practice that breath. If you're stuffed up, use the mouth, side to side. Inhale and exhale as you sway back and forth. Good. I want this session to release tension, to stretch you out, to give you some extra strength in your new, better movement and mobility. And keep you going for the best possible day. Start your day with some Coach Vigue yoga. Inhale forward, modified plank. Hands are the shoulders, and then exhale, press back. We're going to go back and forth a few times to really open up the spine and the back and start to work the shoulders. You feel that movement happening. Inhale forward, exhale, stretch it back. Let's do 3 more. Exhale. You'll get used to the breath. Just keep on breathing. Keep the breath attached to your movements and flows. And one more time. Take it back. Take the right hand further forward. Look at this, called thread the needle. Bring the left arm underneath. This flow, of course, is great for anybody, but we always want to get more guys onto the mat, to the life-saving, life-changing benefits of a regular yoga practice. And there's a bug on my lip. There we go. Hey, one more breath. You're reaching through, you're drawing this arm back a little bit. And move it forward. Great shoulder stretch. Other side, right arm underneath. Releasing the shoulder and around the neck and the upper back. All right, forward again and then lower down. We're going to do cobra pose. Nice back bend. Slide the hands under the shoulders, extend the legs back. You could stay right here. You could also bring your forearms down or press into the hands, activating the arms and shoulders, and lift up. Draw the shoulders back. Cobra stretch right here. Yeah, it is right here because that's what we're doing. Captain, Coach Vigue, obvious. Exhale, lower down. Feel that stretch through the crown of the head, the top of the head. Inhale, lift up again. You want to go for some length in the body, expansion. You might be hearing a lot of things in your spine, in your back. If this is your first time, well, welcome. Make sure you subscribe for many, many more. But also, you're going to feel some things. You're going to hear some things happening as your body comes back into alignment. Exhale, lower. Feel that stretch in the back. One more time. Elbows into the sides. And bring it down. Things biting my ankles. I like that. That's good luck. Take the knees wide, right hand forward, left hand forward, stretch it back. Once again, child's pose. You want to release your spine, open your hips a little bit as you widen your knees. And drink in that breath. Inhales and exhales. Fill and empty the lungs. All right, one more deep breath. In the nose, out the nose. Okay, you're welcome to stay in child's pose. It's a beautiful pose. It's gorgeous. Or you can come to downward facing dog. Hands, big hands. Open the fingers wide. Tuck the toes. Bring it up. One of the most famous, if not the most famous of yoga poses. Press it back. Modify by bending your knees, taking pressure. But what we're doing here, really activating the hamstrings and the shoulders and the whole posterior chain of the body, the whole back. So your goal is to keep releasing the heels down towards the mat. And breathe. On the exhales, you're releasing. On the inhales, you can rock forward a little bit, tippy toes, and then smush them towards the mat. 3 more breaths. If you're shaking, that's fantastic. It means your body's acclimating. You're adapting in real time, and you're presenting your body with something that's a challenge, which gives it an opportunity to build stronger, to build itself stronger. Forcing it to become more flexible, more mobile, more functional. All right, let's bring the right foot forward. We have a low lunge. Use the hands if you need to. Drop that back knee. Lunge. Place this hand here. And do a little, see what I'm doing here? A little twist, a little rock, a little roll, a little Chuck Berry. There we are. Get that grass out of my toes. We're rocking back and forth. A little extra credit. Do it when you're done with this flow, but what state am I in? What state am I in? Not mental state, but which state in the United States of America am I currently in? Comment below. If you get it right, I'll leave you a sticker on your comment if I can do that. So we're rocking side to side. I always film outside. Love being out with the breeze, with the sun, with the blue skies. It goes so well with body weight fitness. All right, my friends, step it back again. Down dog or child's pose. Shake it out. You want to be loose as you open up the back and the shoulders and the hamstrings and the calves. Take 3 more breaths right here in the down dog, relaxing the shoulders. Good morning. Or whenever you find yourself doing this flow. Okay, the left foot comes forward. Drop that back knee. We have lunge. Bring the hand down and commence that little rocking twist. Opens up your back, your shoulders, your shoulder blades, your hip flexor, your quad on the top of the thigh. Just a whole big sack of goodness. Dynamic flow, getting the blood moving into the muscles, having a great beginning to your day. Set the tone right here for the best possible day. Let's do 1 more breath. Okay. Again, bring the knees back and lower down. We have our cobra once again. Pressing up. With the inhale, exhale, lower. Stretch the spine. Let's do 2 more. Emphasize your shoulders back, your chest open. Uh-oh, the cat got in the way. 1 more time. You can press all the way up if you like for future reference, dropping the shoulders, squeezing the glutes. Whew. And then rocking back. Let's cross the ankles. Little pit stop here for some core work. How are we doing? We're all alone here? Except for the massive amount of crew I have behind the camera. Feet can stay on the mat, shoulders to the sides, or bring the feet up. This is a half boat. Let's do 5 breaths right here. Flex your abdominals on the exhales. Really put it into your core. Abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Emphasize this area. Strong from the center outward. That's good. 2 more breaths. Noch 2 mehr, bitte. Come on, let's do it. Haha, quiet. Kindergarten Cop was on last night. Introduced my son to that. He enjoyed it. Just the part with the kids. All right, beautiful. Cross the ankles. Let's bring ourselves to plank position, also called high push-up. Hands are on the shoulders. Knees can be down behind the hips a little bit, or press the feet. backwards. Press the heels backwards. Elbows in. Working the shoulders. Stretch through the backs of the legs by pressing your heels back. Let's do 3 more breaths. Rev up that body for the day. Blood flow, connection, mind-body connection. Feel that electricity flowing through the ligaments, the tendons, the joints, the muscles, the brain. Okay, knees down, few shoulder rolls. I wrote down so much fun stuff here. That's why I'm looking at my cards. Let's do 2 more things. Let me know if you want more of these morning yoga for men routines, because I have a feeling I'm going to be filming quite a few more. The lying twist. We bring it onto our backs. Bring the knees in. Now drop the legs to your right. To the right, you could extend the top leg out if you want. Grabbing that leg. Reach this arm away. Let your whole spine lengthen as it twists. There's the sun right there. You bring this leg up as high as you wish. That's when you're ready. Listen to your body always. Great stretch for your hamstring right here. Hip flexor. And other side. You're always welcome to hang out in that pose longer. I find that no matter where I place the lying twist, people want to kind of jump off for a second and enjoy it. Go ahead. Lots of breath. Let the breath surround and penetrate into the muscle tissue. Good stuff. Bottoms of the feet together. Open up, lying butterfly stretch. Hands here. Open the hips, rocking side to side. Hip opener, creating space in the groin and the psoas. Arch the back a little bit, stretch out the lower back, and drop the shoulders back and down. Am I in Ohio? Is this Idaho? Where am I? Maryland? All right, my friends, just beautiful. Rolling onto your side, press up. All right, one more. We got lots more in the tank, but sitting in either a cross-legged position or sitting on the heels, shoulders back and down. Eagle arms, stretch your shoulders and your back. Works every time. Right arm forward, left arm goes underneath. Now you want to wrap. Maybe they're going to come here. Maybe this is where they're going right now, or the hands are together. We have this. Let's relax the neck, relax the jaw, a little movement up and down. Up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Listen to your body, listen to your shoulders. As they partake in this movement, they're going to give you a lot of feedback. Listen. But you're getting tension out of the back. The upper back, between the shoulder blades. All right, release. Left arm, right arm underneath, and around. We're here, or here. Anybody else here? No. Is in a line here. No line. Just beautiful. Have the corn watching us back there. Might give you a hint where I am. Let's do 3 more breaths. Oh. Love eagle stretch. Shoulders, shoulder rolls. And extra credit at the end here. Come on up, shake it out. Arms and legs. Tree pose for some balance at the end. Plant a foot, heel below or above the knee or ankle on the thigh. Hope I'm on camera. Cactus arms. Shoulders, chest, everything else. Pull back and down. Hold it here. 5 breaths. Find a fixed point. practice your balance. You got to touch the toe down. Go ahead. We can only improve, right? Every breath, every session, every flow. Oh, that wind is trying to get me. All right, switch sides. Shake it out. I like that feeling, my foot right in the grass, right on the earth. That sensory elevation right there. It's a spark that travels up my body. I love it. All right, that shirt's really tucked in there. All right, pull it back, cactus arms. Elbows moving towards each other. Draw the belly button in as you exhale. Let's do 3 more breaths. Balance it out for the day. Beautiful, my friends. Thanks for joining me, Coach Vigue. If this routine helped, click that like button, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell. Never miss one of my workouts. You want to see more morning yoga routines for men, for guys, just for you? Let me know in the comments below. And most importantly, which state am I in? Which state? I'll give you a clue. It's in the United States of America. God bless you, my friends. See you next time.